Hey guys, Ben from BP Performance here. Part 3 of Dump Truck Revival. 2 or 3, I don't know. I count the first video as part 1. Now I'm going to be starting the rear brakes. You saw how the fronts went, so we'll see how the rears go. These might be a little bit more of a pain in the ass than the other ones. I got a kit for the soft lines that came with hard lines, so I don't have to make them. But alright, great start. Now come on. Get out of here. Goes. It's a shame these pads are so destroyed because they're pretty thick. But so what I learned last time is that the front brakes, pads, calipers, rotors are exactly the same as the rears. So whoever designed this, good job. Made it easy to find parts because they're all the same. This style is completely different. You take all these bolts out, plate comes off. This plate comes off, and oh, come on. Are they cutting through, or are they going to try to talk to me? Inside and hide. No, I'm just kidding. So here's my Snap-on toolbox. 73-inch candy apple red. Yeah. Let's try these through. Biggest pet peeve of mine is people cutting through the lot when we're working. It drives me nuts, but you know, you can't really tell them to stop. I mean, you can, but it's kind of rude. See if the person was just cutting through. No, they freaking parked. Come on. We're closed. Nope. Nope. Yep. All right. So that's it. There is a socket for this. I just don't have it. This is the first one I ever done.
I came to pick up the truck that I can't find the key.
Which truck?
Nissan, right?
Oh, Brian?
Yeah, right. William.
It may not be in there.
It's not. I looked under all the mats. And in the console, in the middle.
Did you talk to Greg?
Michelle's here. They said, I don't know if they told her it was under the mat. It's not there.
Let me go check inside.
Okay.
Give me a quick minute.
I'm sorry. I know you're working.
No,
Is somebody in there?
no, we're technically closed.
Oh, that's what she said. I don't think anybody's here.
I'm here, unfortunately. We're on this dump truck, but...
Well, thank God, because I need the truck.
Yeah.
If you tell me where...
Okay. Back to what I was doing. Another bearing in there? Am I missing? Why'd you come off? What have I got going on here? Oh, nothing. That one's lubricated by Hero. Why did it not come off? There it goes. Okay, that one's off. And it right here. Alright, that's that. Alright. That's great. That one came off a lot easier than the other one. Inside of that. Just pop right off. Ready to beat. They're not super hard to do. There's a spindle and all. So I will get this cleaned up and I will be right back. Alright guys, clean those bolts up. I actually like it better over here. Alright. I think I set the preload on this bearing alright. I don't know. I have to go with that being alright. I don't really know. I'm not very good at these yet. So I'm actually going to reuse the metal gasket that's on it and keep an eye on it. And hopefully it doesn't leak. If it leaks, I'll reseal it. If it doesn't, I won't. I realize I have zero gasket maker right up RTV or anything. So I'm kind of in a pickle. Kind of got to get this side back together before I do the other side. And I need come on. Just no. I knew it was gonna break. Should be able to just twist this out. Absolutely wrecked that. I will take that out and I will be right back. Alright, so finished up the brakes. Fresh calipers, rotors, lines across the axle. Jack with me now. Starting to rain. Thank God I got everything done. Fresh calipers, rotors, pads, fresh lines, fresh new caliper, center line. I gotta run the front to backs now. I set the preload on these bearings all right. Ignore that. So I'm gonna run my main line here and I'll get right back. All right, so I got all the brakes bled. You know, being a hydro boost, I had to run it and all. I'm too loud for the camera. So there's one fresh bolt on this rear axle because I broke it, of course. But brakes are bled, lines are stiff, everything's stiff. I'm gonna put the wheels back on, try to give it a run. Got an issue with staying running. It'll idle great. As soon as you give it a little gas, it dies. I don't know if it's just got bad diesel in there, the pump's getting a little worn or what, but yeah, so that's it for this video. Tune in for next time. I gotta do door hinges, I gotta do leaf spring bushings. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that yet, and a couple other minus things, you know, fluid changes, stuff like that. But overall, this truck's we got a runner. So see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more if you like this stuff. If you don't, that sucks.